How to see your likes posts on Instagram on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your likes posts on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see here, you go to your profile icon here, and now click here, and now you will see your activity. Click on it, and now you will see likes. Click on it, and as you see, you will find your likes posts, and that's how to find your likes posts on Instagram. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching until the end.